Hello everyone. Welcome to the lecture Introduction to Tfod2x. Here we'll be talking about what are the features that got added in TensorFlow 2 and they were missing in TensorFlow 1. So right now most of the binaries, for example like training, eval and export, they are compatible with eager mode execution. So what is eager mode execution? Eager mode execution is simply the operations will be evaluated instantly and not by building a graph. In TensorFlow 1, first the graph used to be built, okay, and then the operations used to be evaluated. So for debugging, it was pretty hard, but right now it will be evaluated instantly and after that the graph will be built. When I'm talking about graph, it means simply the model that I'm talking about. The next thing that came into the picture is suite of TF2 compatible models. So as we know, TF2 adopted Keras. Because of that, so the model format has changed, and based of that, all the new model formats have been provided in the new model suite. Then the Coco pre-trained weights are available for TF2 checkpoints. So all the old checkpoints that were previously available for TensorFlow 1 has been changed for TensorFlow 2. And based on the new version update, all the model weights are formatted based on the new model format that came. Access to distribution strategies. So right now, you can train synchronously and asynchronously. It's something like you can use multiple GPUs to train a single model, and there would be no issues. And finally, TensorFlow 2 has provided a lot of collab tutorials. Using these tutorials, you can get started at any point of time. So let's jump into the official TensorFlow models repo. So you can just search here TensorFlow models. So this is the new latest one, I will say. Okay. And if you want to know the more details actually, so here is the blog actually. You can see on 10th of July 2020 TensorFlow 2 meets the object detection API. So you can just click on this particular blog and you can go through this entire blog. Then you will come to know that a lot of state of the art models have been introduced, like CenterNet has been introduced, a lot of other things, and the code base has been changed and made it compatible with TF1 so that we can use it with TF1 also. Okay, so you can go through this blog in detail if you want. But right now our focus is object detection. So let's just try to open. So I will just open the research folder. Inside research, object detection. So this is the particular folder that we will be using in this TensorFlow2.x tutorial basically. So you can see actually support for TensorFlow 2 and 1 is now compatible. Okay, the new TensorFlow model zoo. So when I'm talking about the model zoo, we'll be going through this in a detailed way, but yeah, this new models got added, CenterNet, EfficientNet. So based on the state of art. So in the next lecture, we'll be talking about the installations of the libraries in Google Colab, and then we will try to do the setup, and finally we'll be doing some type of inferencing. So guys, see you in the next lecture.